With Samsung's One UI 6.1.1, creating professional-looking portraits is now easier than ever, thanks to the new Portrait Studio feature. Here's how you can try it out. Open the gallery on your phone. Next, find and open the photo you want to edit. Keep in mind that the photo needs to be a portrait, as the feature won't work otherwise. The next step is to click on the star icon at the bottom of the screen. In the bottom right corner of the photo, you'll see the Portrait Studio button. Click on it. Your portrait will be highlighted. Your next task is to select the portrait style you want. Options include comic, 3D cartoon, watercolor, and sketch. I will choose the comic style and press generate. Select the style you prefer and wait for the process to complete. It may take a few seconds. You'll receive your portrait in the chosen style with 4 different design variations. If you want to save any of the portraits, simply click on the download icon in the bottom right corner of the portrait. Your portrait will be saved to your gallery. Now you can exit the studio. I will repeat the process to show you another style, which is sketch. As you can see, the steps are the same as in the previous example. I believe you will find this feature interesting. For more tips on using Samsung's One UI 6.1.1 and other topics, stay tuned to our channel.